Hello guys, this video is about how you can enable the vibration settings during the call. So the problem is the phone is not vibrating when the phone rings. So this thing is happening with many Redmi users. So this is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So here when you go to settings here as you can see in sounds and vibrations, as you can see, I have enabled these two options, but still the phone is not vibrating, and I have also enabled this vibration option, but still the phone is not vibrating while it's ringing. The call is incoming call. So in that case, what you have to do is just go to additional settings. So as you could see, this is additional settings, and scroll down. Here there is accessibility option. Once you go to accessibility, there's something called vibration here. So here is the vibration. So as you can see, there is a ring and notification vibration. So just tap on that and keep it on. So this was the simple solution for your problem, guys. So once you enable this, your phone will vibrate when there is an incoming call. So yeah, this was all about this video. If you have any doubts or suggestion for my channel, please do comment down below. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.